In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Shopify store. This super fast and easy tutorial is perfect for beginners who are eager to get started with their online business. So, let's dive right in and get that store up and running without any hassle. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where we're going to start the incredibly simple process of getting your store live. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel with various options listed. From this list, click on Online Store. This is the section where you'll handle everything related to the presentation and public visibility of your store. Once you click on Online Store, you'll be directed to a page where you can manage the themes for your website. Now, scroll through the themes and find the one you want to use for your store. Your theme acts as the template for how your store will appear to visitors, so choose one that best fits the style and vibe you want your store to have. With your theme selected, look next to it for the button labeled Publish. All it takes is a simple click on Publish, and your chosen theme will immediately become live. This means that your site is now available for the public to view. It really is as quick and as easy as that. No waiting around or complicated configurations to worry about. Now, naturally, you'll want to see your store in action, right? Here's how you do just that. Head back to the left panel where you found Online Store. This time, when you hover over Online Store, you should see an eye icon appear. This icon is your quick access to preview your live site exactly as any visitor would see it. Go ahead and click on that eye icon. Ta-da! Your live site will open up and you get the full experience of navigating it just like a customer. Make sure everything looks exactly as you want it. Check the layout, colors, and any additional elements you've added to personalize your store. And there you have it. That's everything you need to know to publish your Shopify store. It's a straightforward process designed to get you up and running in just a few clicks. I hope this tutorial has made it clear and easy for you to take your online business live in no time. Thank you for following along, and happy selling!